So you need to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy, but you turn your phone on and you discover that your phone, the LCD is completely broken and unreadable or mostly unreadable. So let me give you some tips on how to factory reset a device, Samsung Galaxy, that you cannot read the screen. Let's learn. So in this example, we're going to use the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. It looks like this. Has 3 cameras in the back, very sleek design, a little tiny flash there. So if you are a wireless manager, this should be easy for you because you might have a fleet of other phones. So if you don't, you might need to go to a friend and see if they have the same phone, and you can follow along even though you can't read the screen. So let me show you how it's done. First, let's turn on a phone or factory reset a phone that we know powers on. So with the Samsung Galaxy A13 5G, we're going to hold volume up and power at the exact same time. Okay, and then when the Samsung comes on, we'll let go. So while this one is getting to the menu, let's do the exact same thing with this one where we can't read the screen. Volume up, hold power. I'm going to feel the vibration, and the screen's turned on. So now what I want to do is I'm going to count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 scrolls down with the volume. So we got a little bit of lucky. We got lucky with this one. We can read the first few letters, and I can, if you can see too, yeah, you can see wipe. So this is the wipe data factory reset line, and we want to get to there. Excuse me. So what we can do, again, if you can't see yours but it powers on, use the phone that you know works and just count. 1, 2, 3, 4 gets us to wipe data factory reset. So let's do this over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wipe data factory reset. We can read it. Okay. Now we need to push power for OK, power for OK, power for OK on the one we can't read. Now, on the Android recovery menu, it asks us to confirm, which is 1 down, scroll 1 down with volume. So touch volume 1 time down, and then OK with power. On the screen that we can't read, same thing. Down, 1, and then OK with power. Definitely can't see it there. Okay, on this one, we can confirm that the data wipe is complete. It gives us a little message down here. And this one allows us to read a little bit through the pixelated screen. Data wipe complete. So and always the first choice is reboot system now. So we can reboot the system now, and that'll get us back to the welcome screen on this Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. And then we can hit reboot system now, and even though this is going to be recycled, it can now be safely recycled. All data has been removed. Your company data or your personal data, your photos, everything. So it's now safe to recycle. And just to show you, let's do one more. Let me grab a A14 5G. Let me see. I know I have an A14 5G nearby. All right, this is the A14 5G. So let's do the exact same thing. In fact, let me get my paint cloth here. So I paint a little bit. And so let's say that this screen was not readable. So let's see if we can do the exact same sequence. Hold power or volume up and power. And I felt the vibration, so I'm going to let go now. I am going to peek to make sure. Yeah, so we got it on. And let's say that we can't read the top part of the menu. It's all broken. So in this example, let's see if it holds true for the A14 by scrolling down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. My finger slipped. I might not have hit that. So let's check. I did not hit it. 4. There it is. Wipe factory data reset. And then we'll press OK with power. And then it asks us to confirm, so we have one more screen. And we'll push down to confirm. And then I'll hit OK. And then we should see the data wipe is complete. And now it is safe to reboot the system. And that is how you factory reset or hard reset a Samsung Galaxy screen that you cannot read. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.